Found a PM file in your Pegasus mail folder and wondering what it contains? These are unfinished email drafts saved during composition. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to recover, view, and manage these Pegasus mail draft files. Be sure to stick around for the end. I'll introduce the single most powerful PM inspection tool that can address this entire problem, along with virtually every other file type you encounter. A temporary file created by the Pegasus Mail email client while a new message is being composed. Users encounter this file if the program closes unexpectedly. It contains the unsaved draft, allowing for potential recovery of the message content upon restarting the application. This file is designed as a temporary cache, likely storing the message body, headers, and attachment information in a raw or semi-structured format. In the extension signals its transient and incomplete state to the application, which will attempt to process or delete it on the next launch. Official support for PM is primarily provided through Pegasus Mail from David Harris. Windows needs confirmation from specialized software for safe data access. Windows sometimes delays removing temp files until the system is idle or rebooted. We are testing every installed program for file recognition. Right-click your PM file and choose Open with. Test Pegasus Mail first. If it fails, select another application. The right reader is in that list. If you still can't open the PM file, it's okay. It's typically one of three basic reasons. Here is a simple breakdown of the common culprits and how to check them. First, opening in Pegasus Mail. Launch Pegasus Mail and navigate to the Drafts folder where PM files are automatically listed. Double-click the draft entry to reopen it in the message composer with all content recipients and attachments restored. Continue editing and send when ready, or save back to drafts for later completion. Next, reading as text file. Open the PM file in any text editor like Notepad++ or VS Code to view the raw email content. While headers and formatting markers appear as plain text, the message body remains readable, allowing content recovery if Pegasus Mail is unavailable. Copy text into another email client to send the message. Finally, recovering lost drafts. Search your Pegasus Mail data folder for PM files using Windows Explorer if drafts disappeared from the application. Copy recovered files to the proper drafts directory and restart Pegasus Mail. The application rebuilds its draft index, allowing access to recovered email drafts that were lost due to application crashes or corruption. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.